What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we are going to do the review of the heavy duty furniture lifter right here, which can hold a load of up to 600 pounds, which is really great. Basically come in this package. I'm gonna unbox it to guys see basically how it's look inside. Basically come in this package right here. So this is one parcel right here. Here we have one next parcel. So in this box right here, as you can see, this is one of the handles, looking really great. As you guys can see right here, this is what comes inside. This is the wheel that we can use to lift. Also, we have these wheels as well, looking very solid. There's some wheel on here. This is what basically put the load on. So we have at least 4 of them right here, as you guys can see. Now inside this box right here, as you can see, these are the attachments that come inside, and this is one of the attachments as well. So these are basically the extender, as you guys can see right here. We can put these as extension. We can adjust them up all different sizes, as you guys can see right here, all different sizes, which is really great. Just gonna detach these right now, guys, as you guys can see right here. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you a quick preview of how this actually works. So this is the lever right here, which can basically use to ease up our bed foot or any furniture in our home. This part right here is a trolley. This is what gonna help us to move our bed or any furniture. This is our cradle. This is what goes on top of our riser right here. Basically can go on top of this, especially when you're lifting those higher items, which basically use as a crate to rise the bar of this right here, like so. This is a great example, guys. This right here, we can stitch this up so you can basically fit onto right here, which is just right here. So you can basically place this part onto this. Now as you can see, we can face this part, this are right here inside. So you can see that I stack it up until I have the right amount of length. I'm gonna put this part right here on top, as you guys can see right there. Then we can use this to lift our dresser. Now we need a lot more on it, so we're gonna put one more brick on it right here, one more layer. Make sure that the base got close, and we can do a lifting. As you guys can see, perfect. Now this part now is under right there. What you want to do, guys, is ensure that these wheels are under the 4 feet. Now that this basically under this one, we can basically slide out to get to the corner to put these rests onto the 4 feet, that we can basically slide around the home very easy. Very easy. As you guys can see here, I'm moving it with minimal effort. Very easy to slide. You guys can see, and this is very heavy, guys, and I'm using it to slide very easy, as you guys can see right here. Very easy with minimal effort. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is my unboxing and review of this furniture lifter right here, heavy duty furniture lifter. Hope you find this video very helpful.